Hello and welcome back to the Infinity Hoop Workout channel. Today we're doing a 10-minute Infinity Hoop workout for beginners. This video is going to discuss the best position to be in with your Infinity Hoop and also introduce you to the upper body movements. So now we'll discuss proper positioning in order to provide a continuous motion for your Infinity Hoop. So the best position that you can use is either the side-to-side motion with your legs shoulder width apart, or you can do a front-to-back motion where there's one leg in front, the other leg in the back. You want to make sure that your knees are slightly bent so that it takes the pressure off your back. So you want to find the position that's going to be most comfortable for you. It's going to allow you to maintain your pace and be able to complete the workout. So now we're going to be moving on into our 2-minute warm-up. We're going to use this time to develop a good rhythm, to develop a good pace, one that we're going to be able to maintain throughout the workout. And we'll be able to continue to do it even while we are adding our upper body movements. We also ask at this time, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. That way you can be notified when new videos are added to our library. Since this is a 10-minute workout, you want to make sure that you come back and visit this video at least 2 more times today so that you can get a total of 30 minutes. Since we know that a 30-minute Infinity Hoop workout is equivalent to a 2-mile run. So you should be nice and comfortable with your Infinity Hoop. You've got a good rate going, you've got a good rhythm going. So you should be ready now to be able to move on in to our upper body movements. And since I'm most comfortable with the side-to-side motion, I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the side-to-side motion. But feel free to continue with the position or motion that works best for you. We're going to be moving on in now to the upper body movements. We're going to first get you comfortable with moving your upper body at the same time that you're working on your Infinity Hoop so that you can get comfortable with it. And then we're going to pick up the pace. So coming up next is going to be arm raises. So you're going to hold your arms above your head in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're going to keep it there for a full minute. This is to help build your coordination so that you can not only focus on the ball, but also focus on moving your upper body. If at any time your ball starts to slow down, you want to make some deeper side-to-side movements or front-to-back movements so that it can help to pick up the pace and speed it up for you. So you're going to prepare to lower your arms and rest them on your shoulders. And then we'll move into an 8-count set. So you're going to hold it up for 8, and then you're going to take it down for 8. Arms down. Up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Up.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
Now we're going to go into intervals. Up,
that you and I are working here today.
up, down,
evidence of that.
up, down, 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 up, down. 10-second pause. Coming up next is going to be our elbow squeezes. You'll bring your elbows to the center and then open up and then you're going to hold it for count of 2. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. Continue. Keep it going. Now we're going to do single count, 10 of them. Ready? Squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze, open. Keep it going. We've got 15 seconds left of this segment, and then we're going to head on into our cool down. Congratulations, you've made it to the cool down. So in this video, you learn proper positioning in order to be able to maintain a continuous movement with your infinity hoop, and you've learned how to add the upper body movements. So you want to use this video to get your practice in. Try to do it 3 times a day so you can get a total 30-minute workout. Make sure you subscribe to the video so that you can be notified when new videos are added to our library.
That you and I are working here today is evidence of
You can also use this cool down to perfect your skills in your hula hoop movements. As you rock side to side, notice the speed of your ball, and if you make deeper movements, you can help to speed it up. And if you make more shallow movements, you can slow it down. So this is a good time to perfect your skills so that when you're adding your upper body movements, you don't even have to think about the hula hoop because that's working as it should. You guys did awesome today. Keep up the good work, and let's get snatched together. Remember, the goal is to get to a full 30-minute session. So use these 10-minute videos to build up your stamina, build up your endurance, and eventually you'll be able to do the full 30 minutes, including the upper body and lower body. Remember, the warm-up and the cool-down are just as important as the workout in the middle. We've got a good 10 seconds left to complete this cool-down, and then you will have completed your goal. So hang in there,
and keep up the good work. See you in the next workout.